Hi everyone, welcome to DVS Math channel. So continuing triangles, exercise 2.2, question number 10. So let's move on to the question. The question is reverse of the question number 9. It is reverse of question number 9. So in that we took a trapezium and the parallel sides and we proved that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Now here they are saying that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Now we have to prove that the given is trapezium. It is reverse of question number 9. So observe the question here. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O such that that is AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. This is about the question. So we can observe the figure now. Here we have to consider it as a quadrilateral. We should not say that it is a trapezium. We don't know. We have to prove that it is a trapezium. As you all know, it is generally we call the four-sided figure. We call it as quadrilateral. So just you write that. So just write it. ABCD is a quadrilateral. And here they are saying that the diagonal AC and BD intersect at O, and they have given the AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. That is the given. What we have to prove? That the given quadrilateral is nothing but a trapezium we have to prove. That is AB by ABCD is a trapezium. Here also what you have to consider, draw a line EF, the same construction as you did in 9th problem. So EF is parallel to AB. EF is parallel to AB. So next we'll move on to the next. Here they will write the given part, that is AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Again what you have to do? Cross multiplication, cross it. So take CO here, send BO there. So AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. That is, here you can observe AO by CO and BO by, so that is DO. These two are equal here. So take it as equation 1, right? Then as you all know, that is they have given that, you can observe here in the construction itself what we said, EO is parallel to DC. So as we know that EO is parallel to AB also, correct? So here if you observe these two, so now EO is parallel to DC, but we know that EO is parallel to AB, right? From construction we know that, but from this proof we got EO is parallel to DC. So from these two equations, that is EO is parallel to DC, EO is parallel to AB. So EO is parallel to AB and DC. Finally what we can write, AB is parallel to DC. So AB is parallel to DC. Again I am going to explain. Observe carefully. First take the given part, that is AB by AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. That is if we consider these two sides. So here if these two are equal, so now what we can say that this EO is parallel to DC. But in the construction EO is parallel to AB. That means all three are parallel. Then finally what you can write, AB is parallel to DC. So in a quadrilateral any one of the pair are parallel. So you can write if one pair of opposite side of a quadrilateral ABCD are parallel, then definitely it is a trapezium. So in a quadrilateral any two opposite sides are parallel, one pair so are parallel, then definitely it is a quadrilateral is nothing but a trapezium, which is the property of trapezium. So clear? Here also first same given, same to prove it will be in the question, copy it. Extra construction, that is CF is parallel to AB, and using the given make them cross multiply and take it as EO is parallel to DC and take the construction statement, equate them, and from equating them finally we got AB is parallel to DC. So if any opposite sides of a quadrilateral are parallel, then definitely the quadrilateral is a trapezium. So this is about question number 10, exercise 2.2. For more exercise questions, subscribe my channel. Keep watching. Thank you.